Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner and the GorFanty Steam Mop 10-in-1 Floor Steamer. Let's see which one stands out in the battle of steam cleaning. Starting with cleaning power, the Schenley Steam Mop has received rave reviews for its ability to tackle dirt and grease effectively. One reviewer mentioned how it transformed their cleaning routine, stating it cleaned floors quickly and effectively. It's like a powerful dragon breathing steam on your mess. In contrast, the GorFanty Steam Mop is praised for its high-temperature steam that can handle tough stains, especially for pet owners. One user highlighted how it removed a stubborn dog stain from their carpet, making it a favorite for those dealing with pet messes. So, both products shine in cleaning power, but the Schenley is noted for its quick and effective cleaning, while the GorFanty excels in tackling tough stains. Now on to heating time. The Schenley heats up in just 15 seconds, which many users love for its efficiency. One user mentioned how quickly they could start cleaning without waiting around. On the flip side, the GorFanty takes 20 seconds to heat up. While it's still relatively quick, some reviewers noted that this extra wait can feel longer when you're eager to start cleaning. However, both products heat up in under a minute, making them convenient for most cleaning tasks. Next, let's discuss versatility. The Schenley comes with 7 accessories, which users find incredibly useful for various cleaning tasks. One reviewer loved how easy it was to use the window attachment for cleaning without streaks. The GorFanty, on the other hand, boasts 10 accessories, making it even more versatile. Reviewers appreciate its ability to convert into a handheld steamer for different cleaning tasks, and one user commented on its effectiveness for both floors and windows. So if versatility is your priority, the GorFanty takes the lead here. Finally, let's talk about price. Both the Schenley and GorFanty are priced at $119, making them equally accessible for anyone looking to invest in a steam mop. Reviewers on both products appreciate the value for money they offer, especially considering the powerful steam cleaning capabilities and multiple accessories included. In summary, both the Schenley Steam Mop and the GorFanty Steam Mop have garnered positive reviews from users. The Schenley is praised for its powerful cleaning ability and quick heating time, while the GorFanty shines with its versatility and additional attachments. Each product has its strengths, catering to different cleaning needs and preferences. So which steam mop do you prefer? If you're looking for speed and power, the Schenley might be your best bet. But if versatility and extra attachments are what you need, the GorFanty could be the winner for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check the description for product links.